In this tutorial, I'll show you how to bake a diffuse map in Blender. Let's create a UV sphere, subdivide it, and add a displace modifier. There are over 30,000 vertices in this mesh. Let's bake this material's diffuse map, so we can use the same material on lower density meshes. To bake a diffuse map, we need to add an unconnected image texture node, and create a new texture image like this. Select the mesh, and select the image texture node, and bake the diffuse map like this. Go to the UV Editing tab to save the image. Let's create a new sphere, and apply the baked diffuse map as its material. This is how we bake and reuse the diffuse map. We can also convert the same diffuse map image file to normal or displacement map and connect it like this. The displacement map needs to be converted first, so I link a tutorial in the description below. Once we have the displacement map, we can try this method as well. The diffuse map won't do much. Please watch the tutorial in the description below to learn how to convert this diffuse map to the displacement map. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.